Thanks for calling. This is TJ.
Hello, TJ.
Hello?
Help me. Oh, you gotta get home and help me.
Hello?
This is Russell, the guy fixing your roof. Oh, God, are you there?
Yeah, Russell.
I almost fell off your roof today. Use my nail gun.
You fell off my net?
I nailed my left hand to your roof to stop from falling, and I'm hanging here. I couldn't think of what to do.
You're hanging off my roof.
I need you, TJ. I was about to fall off the roof, and I realized that there was 3 stories, and oh, God. I'm hanging off your roof right now, and I use my nail gun to stop myself.
If you're hanging off my roof, how are you calling me?
I have a cell phone. Oh, God, it hurts. Can you come home and move my ladder up under me?
I can't. Why didn't you call 911?
I don't have insurance. Oh, God, just come down and free me.
You expect me to leave work and come and get you from hanging off my roof?
I'm fixing your roof. And then, oh, God, the nail's giving away. I'm slipping here. Hang on a second. Hang on. Oh, God. Oh, ouch.
What's going on?
I just put 4 more nails in. I was slipping.
If you are falling, why are you putting more nails in your hand?
Oh, crap, that's stingy.
What?
I didn't want to fall off the roof.
You have to be the dumbest piece of ever.
Oh, please.
What is your problem, man? You are the stupidest. What?
You gotta call my wife, Lisa.
Why don't you call her? You have a cell phone.
Tell Bunny I love her.
I can't do it. Why?
Hang on, I'm slipping again. Oh, jeez.
You need to put a nail through your head.
Oh, this is getting messy. Oh, God, it hurts.
Call the ambulance.
I can't. I don't have insurance.
What are you calling me for?
Please, I don't have insurance and my boss will fire me.
I'm your boss.
Can't you come home and free me?
I can't do anything, man. You just gonna have to keep hanging.
I play in a band on the weekend. I'm not gonna be able to do the slide trombone with one hand.
You got to be the dumbest piece of the dumbest idiot ever.
Oh, God, I'm falling again. Hold on, my foot's slipping. Oh, jeez.
What was that?
I just kicked out your living room window.
Have you lost your mind?
I'm sorry, I was slipping.
My living room window, man.
Oh, St. Betty, pray for me.
You don't be paying for that. What's your problem, man?
This smarts. It really hurts. Oh.
Call the ambulance, man.
Okay, that kind of tickles. Woo.
Man, have you lost your mind?
I'm doing all right now. TJ.
Yeah.
I can't even keep it going anymore. This is Spike and the Mojo in the Morning Show.
Who?
The Mojo in the Morning Show.
You've just been phone scammed.
What the hell is going on? Man, this is some bullshit.